Here's a street rod to take a look at. Unique, especially in classics, 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe two-door street rod. Take a look at the paint on this first of all. Shows very well. Nice looking, I guess, graphics, if you will, going down the body line to kind of break up that red. Riding on a classic look. Look at the Hildebrand wheels. Spinners, Chevy logo in the center. Then you notice this V8 with the flags. That's kind of an understatement on this one. This one has a 454 bored to a 468 underneath the hood. And anybody that has driven this car, first thing they say is how incredibly nice that it drives out. And there's room in this car too. Wait till we get to the interior and you check out the interior of it. Bucket seats in it. Really can't say enough about it. Take a look at the chrome front bumper. Iconic Chevy grille. Headlamps. And we're going to open this hood up. We're going to take a look at the interior, start it up for you. But first, if you want to take a look at the still pictures of this car, be able to see it from top to bottom, inside and out, engine bay, undersides, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, a little bit more about this build. You heard me mention the 454 bored to a 468. It has less than 1,000 miles on the engine build. Professionally done. Local guy within our area here. And it also has a fuel-injected tall deck on it. New custom radiator is an aluminum radiator, electric fan. That was done in April of 22. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC was added also in April of 22. There's $15,000 plus in receipts of that engine build that was actually done in May of 21. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Great look all the way around this car. Look at the rear chrome. As far as opening the trunk, there is a popper underneath the dash. Little yellow button. Push it. It'll open it. I'm going to show you a few of those things when we get inside the car. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you there. Take a look at the wheelbase. A little longer wheelbase like that, obviously is going to ride out nicer. And then look at the room it provides. The rear seating area, as well as the front. Something else I wanted to mention up front here. This is a vented hood. Truly vented hood, so it is going to extract heat out of that engine bay. This cowl is a working cowl too, so if you just wanted fresh air in the cabin, not a problem. Little lever underneath the radio that is going to raise and lower that cowl. Now take a look at this interior also. Beautiful color combination. Kind of a neutral and oatmeal, taupe and oatmeal, I guess, if you will. Perfectly shaped armrest. You know this thing is comfortable going down the road. And just look at the leg room that you can have up front. I kind of slid one a little further up front as far as the driver's seat compared to the passenger seat. And then also take a look at what you still have for room in the rear. Kind of a leather cloth blend, I guess, if you will, on the seats. Belts, front and rear. So seat belts. All right, now, headlights right here. There's that trunk popper yellow button I was talking about. Tilt column. Very comfortable car. No doubt about it. VDO gauges. Little aftermarket stereo here. And that is in working order. This is for opening and lowering your cowl. The front. Obviously AC controls, fan controls. And then there's also a power antenna on-off switch right here. Even a working clock in the glove box door. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Remember, fuel injected. No need to pump it. Wipers do work also, and the wiper switch is underneath here also. It's going to be tough for me to get underneath there with the camera, but it does work. I've seen them work. Radio in working order also, but we need to raise the antenna. So we're going to raise that antenna. And the reception comes in. Working gauges, as you can see. Fuel gauge. Water temp, that was a cold start, FYI. Oil pressure. Again, less than 1,000 miles on this build. Great sounding car too. Very responsive. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Close that door all the way. Nice little rumble coming out of that V8. Nothing over the top. No crazy loud exhaust, anything like that. Kind of a sleeper, if you will. Remember, you got that bored out 454 to a 468 underneath the hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, both sides of the hood open. Look at this. All the chrome, bright work. You can tell that's professionally done the way it's built. Fits in there. Look how smooth that runs. Wow. See the data plate over here? That will be in the stow pictures. What a great looking engine bay. Imagine having this in any local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This will definitely be a fun car for the next owner. And I'm not going to lie, I just happen to know the guy that we are selling this for, a good customer of ours, and I want to go drive this thing. Probably should. Everybody else has sure said this one drives out nice. 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe 2-door street rod, and it's a beauty. Give us a call at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call, enter, email.